Okay, so here is the latest and greatest trumpet, rectangle trumpet, number 8 rectangle because it has rectangle valves. And kind of made it like a pocket trumpet this time so I could try to print the whole body on one print bed. So anyway, here we go. Let's give it a try. And so you can see it sounds a little better. It's still not great, but it seems a little better. Let's try playing a song or two. Okay, yeah, I made a couple mistakes, but hey, seems like at least I've gotten the trumpet where I can play music, so that's kind of cool. It's not perfect, but it's sounding better. And yeah, there's still some air leaks, I think, in the tube. And yeah, there might be some air leaks on the valve, but look how easy that moves. And seems like I've got air. And I don't have it where I can slide the slides out for better tuning. But maybe we could do something with doing something like that. But I don't know. But anyway, that's at least a lot better than it was. And so I'm a lot happier. So maybe the next iteration will be even better. I don't know. That already I'm really happy with it. It actually almost looks like a trumpet, and it kind of plays like a trumpet. It's not really great. I mean, it's definitely not the same quality as a trumpet. But anyway, there you go.